Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and yes, I can't quit buying these American Girl dolls because they're so beautiful when they get here, and then I wash them up and disinfect them and fix them and put them on display, and I just love them. And I have this idea for an upcoming display that Darren is working on some things for, and I bought a couple dolls for it. Let's see who is in here and what kind of, oh, that was packaged pretty good. Oh, this one is not for that. This one is because I was looking for a Maryellen to do a Agnes from Wednesday character. I don't know that I'm going to use her because she is just, I mean, she's got, oh, that's that styrofoam. That's nothing. I thought she had a mark on her. I don't see it. I paid a little bit more than I have been, but I didn't pay a lot. And I had her in watch, and they sent me an offer with a counter, and I countered, and I can't believe that they took that. If it says make offer, make offer. Start in low. Look at that beautiful hair. It's like 4 colors of strawberry blonde in that. Oh God, I love that. She's beautiful. I also, oh, she came with that outfit. Very pleased with her. Very pleased with her. I don't know if I'll use her for the character I want to make, but who's to say I won't? I'll probably buy another. Okay, I bought this from a different eBay seller. Scoot over, sweetheart. And I got such a good deal on it. Wait till you see this little outfit. It is for Thanksgiving, of which it is tomorrow when I'm filming this. So I probably won't put a doll in it this year. But look at this. Came with shoes and hat. Look at that little hat. Oh God, that's cute. And these stockings that have this little ruffle here. And a necklace. How cute is that? And this was like, God, Darren, was it $12.88 or not? I think it was $9.88. Do I give?
It's best that I don't track how much you spend. I don't know.
Do I give links? Not unless they send me something for free. If they want to send me a Happy Mail, I'll be happy to advertise for them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Oh God, she's beautiful. And subscribe.
She is pretty.